How to fix TikTok follow back problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if the follow back isn't working on your TikTok application, you can follow the simple steps to resolve it. But first, I want you to know that the hourly limit of TikTok follow is 10 to 30, which is total almost equal to 10,000. So in order to fix it, you can go ahead and wait for 24 to 48 hours and unfollow the inactive users on your profile. Another thing you can do is you can go to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top, go to settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and go to free up space. From here, click on clear cache, tap on clear again to confirm, and you'll be done. Now reopen the app. And sometimes the outdated app also causes the issue, so go ahead and update your TikTok application in your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Search for TikTok, and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, then restart your phone, or you can also turn the airplane mode or the flight mode for a few seconds and turn it off. So sometimes TikTok may have restricted you temporarily, so wait for 48 to 72 hours and avoid bots or spam. You can also try reporting to TikTok if these solutions do not work. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.